Starts now with Chief Meteorologist Curtis Grevenens.
Welcome back and thank you for joining us here on this Friday evening. It's the end of January, beginning of February tomorrow, and the first storm of February is going to be a doozy. All right, see the weather alerts right now, and if you're watching from the high line, you're thinking, oh, we're going to miss out on this one. Not the case here. Eventually, more of the state will be included in winter storm watch or winter storm warning. Winter storm warning in effect right now into Sunday morning for more snow up on the Rocky Mountain front. High wind warning continues for Cut Bank, for Great Falls, for Geyser. Helena hasn't had a breath of wind all week long. And then here's the winter storm watch. Now, my issue with this is the National Weather Service has only issued this through Sunday and Monday, but the snow will continue beyond Monday. So by the end of Monday, there you can see some of those numbers, but when all is said and done, we're going to be looking at more than that. So most of the Helena area, you're going to get snow in Winston and Townsend and Canyon Ferry. Most of the Great Falls area, and trust me, Fort Benton and Dutton, Brady, Choteau, Geraldine, will get upwards of a foot of snow here when all is said and done as well. So you'll be included in some weather alerts. So you can see a couple little flakes, maybe a few drops up along the Milk River, and then some snow. It has been falling on the divide and west of the divide. It's a lot of moisture that will be ultimately headed our way. Pretty good storm on the east coast as well. So here's what will happen. Snow on the front, Rocky Mountain front, down the divide, a couple of flakes maybe around Helena, but not much. Tomorrow morning, a couple of squalls, heavy bursts of snow likely come through the Helena area, Butte, Townsend, down through Bozeman, maybe White Sulphur Springs, generally south of Great Falls here. And we're partly cloudy and windy tomorrow. It's still fairly mild. All heck breaks loose, if you will, really on later Sunday. So we'll have, again, some snow showers, mainly up in the mountains. But Sunday, the Arctic front moves through, and we'll likely have light snow developing as we go through the day. So here's the accumulation through tonight, tomorrow. You can see the Rocky Mountain fronts, west of the divide, hardly anything east of the divide. By Saturday night, see that snow? Maybe a couple of little coatings of snow around the Helena area. And then it's more later by Sunday, then through Sunday night into Monday. More snow keeps piling up through Monday, through Tuesday, possibly into Wednesday. This pink is 6 inches of snow. That dark purple and blue, more than 2 feet of snow. So Groundhog Day, snow moving in, Arctic air moving down, and then we've got an atmospheric river running into the Arctic air, and it's just going to squeeze out a lot of snow all the way through Tuesday, possibly into Wednesday morning. These are significant snow amounts here with Arctic air. And again, these are the totals when all is said and done by Wednesday. I may have to tweak those numbers up a little bit. 20s and 30s here tonight. A couple of snow showers out there, mainly up there, Showdown, Great Divide, Rocky Mountain front, Teton Pass. Tomorrow, Pacific front, the Arctic front, it's windy, it's mild. The Arctic front comes through on Groundhog Day with snow increasing. Those temperatures getting cold. Monday, very cold temperatures, single digits above and below zero. Ditto that for Tuesday. This is a prolonged snow event here, and that will yield significant snow amounts for a lot of the state as we head into next week.